Hello. Sorry it's been so long since I posted a video. Been very busy the last weekend. Fang is on a mission. I think we gotta poop. But I went to Madison this weekend. Watched a football game on a projector screen. Both of our cars were in the shop. I just got this one back today. One has a mouse chew through a wire for a temperature sensor that controls something in the engine. And then this red one here had a mouse chew through the coolant line. So all the coolant dumped out. Whew. Walking through snow kind of sucks. It's snowing quite heavily here. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera. We already got, well, that much snow. We don't need to show him pooping. But yeah, you can probably see it a lot better here, all the snow we're getting. Supposed to get, I think, 4 to 8 inches today. And we've already gotten well over 4 or maybe even 5. So I'm guessing we're going to be getting 8 inches today. I've been playing with some editing software, so I'm kind of hoping I can get some of the wind out of the microphone when I play with this editing. But it turns out iPhone comes with a built-in editor. Didn't know that. Random thought, in case I haven't told you guys, Fang is a golden retriever. He is kind of a silly golden retriever. I don't know what he's looking for. Hope it's not a mouse. We have a ton of poison traps for mice, so I don't want him eating them. The pest control told us about biomagnification, which is where poisoned animals get consumed by predatory animals, and the poison can get into the predator instead of the animal you wanted to kill. Wouldn't want to poison my pooch. Come on, Fang, let's go for a little walk. Trying to get him some exercise outside today, even though it's kind of a crummy day. He does like being outside a lot. I feel bad when it's this crummy out because he's having fun, but when we first got out of the house, he was like, "What is this shit?" But now he's having a blast. He wasn't so sure at first. Can hardly keep tabs on him with the camera. There he goes. He's off somewhere. He is having a blast. What have you guys been up to? If you've done anything exciting, let me know. In case you were wondering, my hand holding the phone is getting very cold. We are just all over the place today, looking for something. And this is why he can't be off leash yet. Because 1, he runs, and 2, he doesn't listen very well yet. Got to figure out how to, got to get the trainer out here to get him to listen a little better. There's a bird in the distance, I think he hears, a little chirping bird. I don't know what he's looking for. I think he's just playing in the snow. Not much to report on today. Like there's just snow. Like I hate snow. Like look at me. I'm covered in it. Not very fun. Don't mind our garbage bag up by the house. Gotta take that down yet. Alright, Fang. I think we should go inside. Oh, that Thanksgiving. I said I was gonna make a video of the roast when it got finished, the sauerbraten. I never did. Things just got wildly out of control with family being here and the dogs, and we had my sister-in-law's and future brother-in-law's dog over here, and the cats and family, and getting everything cleaned up and picked up and taken care of, and making sure everyone's entertained. Yeah, there was no time for a video on Thursday. None. But it was very delicious. It turned out very nicely. Wish you guys could have tried it. Maybe I'll make a video of how to make it, and you guys can try it for yourselves. The beer bread was a hit. I'll have to make a video of how to make beer bread too. It's incredibly easy. It takes longer to get the ingredients out than it does to put it together. And it cooks for an hour, so you basically just have to put some flour and some other ingredients together and dump a bottle of beer in it and call it a day. Don't even have to use yeast or anything. Come on, Frank. Come on. He's just full of energy right now. He had nowhere to go. Except he wants to eat all the weeds. The dead weeds. We've had to have gotten 6 inches of snow by now. My fat ass does not need to wade through this shit. Old fingers. We're gonna go inside and get your little toy with the frozen banana in it. And then you can have all the fun burning all the energy in the house. Well, on that note, I think we're gonna head inside.